What is CORS? If you've ever seen a error come up like this, you're probably wondering why this CORS thing keeps blocking requests. CORS stands for Cross-Origin Resource Sharing, and it is a security feature that is built into web browsers. A cross-origin request is when your front-end website tries to make a request to a backend which is on a different origin, basically a different URL. So why does CORS exist? It's all about security. We already know web pages can make requests to other servers. That's how data is shared online. But what if any website could make any request to any server without restrictions? This could lead to things like unauthorized actions, data leaks, and even accessing things that were never meant to be shared. So this is where CORS comes in. The browser checks with the server first whether it's okay for it to access that resource. If the server doesn't explicitly allow it, then it will say no, requests from that origin aren't allowed, aka the CORS error. If the server does allow the request, then it will include a special header in the response. The header is telling the browser, yes, this site can access this resource, and then the request can go through. So in summary, CORS is just a security feature in browsers which blocks requests from different origins unless the server explicitly allows them. You may see it on your own projects if your backend is hosted on a different URL to your front end, and it's not a front end bug, it's actually the server's job to allow or deny requests. I hope this video was helpful, and if you haven't already, check out the rest of the software development for beginners series, but other than that, I'll see you next time. Cross-origin resource. What is the cause of CORS errors? On most web browsers? And it is a security feature. This could